Welcome to Merschwerks. Today we're going to be working with this piece of African teak. Let's get started. African teak, also called Iroko, is a rather large tree growing roughly 130 feet tall and can have a 3 to 5 foot diameter trunk. These trees can be found in, you guessed it, Africa. The western tropical region of Africa, to be more specific. African teak is commonly used in furniture, cabinetry, boat building, and for today's purpose, wood turning. Turning this wood was rather easy. The carbide tools cut right into it with ease. The wood was soft, but not too soft. For example, African teak has a Janka rating of 1,190 pounds of force, much harder than last week's poplar at 410, but softer than purple heart with a rating of 2,520. Turning this African teak felt very similar to turning walnut. Walnut has a Janka rating of 1,130. The Janka rating system is rather simple. How many pounds of force is required to push an 11.28 millimeter steel ball halfway into a piece of wood, dried to 12% moisture content? Now, I'm sure this system isn't perfect, but it does give me a good idea of what to expect when turning new species of wood. When I'm turning bowls with these carbide tools, tear out is always a concern. Making sure I have a clean, sharp tool is important to help avoid that. After some sanding, and sanding, and more sanding, then a quick coat of Yorkshire Grit, this little dish is complete, perfect for loose change, random things from a toolbox, or whatever. If you made it to the end, thanks for watching. And since you made it this far, why don't you leave a like and subscribe? New videos out every Monday. If you're new around this channel, you might be interested in checking out some of my other stuff too. Thanks again.